Hello everyone. Today's video covers Prestashop Stock Alert Instock Notifier, a module that lets customers subscribe to out-of-stock products and get email alerts when they're back in stock. Let's go to the back office and log in with admin credentials. After logging in, go to the Modules section and click on Module Manager. Then search for the module. Once the module appears, click on the Configure button. After clicking Configure, the module configuration page opens. Here you can see two main tabs, the General tab and the Cron tab. Now let's understand each tab and its options in detail. First, start with the General tab. The first option is Allow only for logged-in users. This option allows the admin to control who can subscribe to stock notifications. If this option is enabled, only logged-in users can subscribe to notifications. If it is disabled, guest users can subscribe by entering their email address. This option is useful if you want to restrict subscriptions to registered customers only. Next is Notify when stock is updated from product page. This option works when the admin updates the product quantity from the Catalog Products section. If this option is enabled, the customer will receive an instant email notification as soon as the product quantity is updated and the product becomes in stock. If this option is disabled, notifications will not be sent instantly to the customer. Next, we have Notify when stock is updated from stocks. If the admin manages inventory from the Catalog Stock section and this option is enabled, the customer will receive an immediate email notification when the stock is updated from the stock section. This is especially useful for bulk inventory or warehouse-based stock management. Next, we have Display Notifications Subscription tab. When this option is enabled, customers can see a dedicated in-stock notification tab named Subscribe to Notify in their account section, where they can view the subscription status of subscribed products. If this option is disabled, this tab will not be visible to the customer. After configuring all the options, click on the Save button and the general configuration will be successfully saved. Now let's move to the Cron tab. The Cron tab is used to send automatic email notifications when stock is updated from sources other than the product or stock sections. In the Cron tab, you will find a cron URL. Set this URL in your server's cron job so that notifications are sent whenever the cron runs. This ensures that stock is checked automatically and eligible customers receive email notifications on time. After saving the configuration, a new section becomes available under the Catalog section, named Instock Notifier. Click on it. From here, the admin can view all customer subscriptions, check product-wise subscription details, monitor the notification status, and also send manual email notifications by clicking the Send Now or Write and Send buttons. This section helps the admin manage and track all in-stock notification requests. Now, let's see how this module works on the front office. When a customer visits a product page that is out of stock, a Notify Me option is displayed, allowing the customer to enter their email address and click the Notify Me button. Once the customer clicks the button, the email is successfully registered. If the customer is logged in, the subscription is added directly to their account. If the customer is a guest user or visitor, the subscription is created using the entered email address. Additionally, a logged-in user can check the list of products they have subscribed to. Go to the user profile by clicking on Your Account, where the customer will see a Subscribe to Notify tab. Click on the Subscribe to Notify tab and you will be redirected to the Subscription Details page, where all the subscribed products are listed. As soon as the product is back in stock, the system sends an email notification to the customer. The email includes the product name, product link, and store information, allowing the customer to directly visit the product page from the email and place their order. The key benefits of this module include recovering lost sales, improving customer experience, a fully automated notification system, and no manual follow-ups. So this was all about how the Prestashop Stock Alert Instock Notifier works and how you can configure it according to your store's needs. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.